I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the mirror on a Chevy Silverado. Begin by gathering a socket set, flathead, trim tool, and replacement mirror. Park on level ground and disconnect the battery for safety. Remove the inner door panel carefully to access mirror bolts and wiring harness. Organize removed clips and bolts in a tray. Work patiently, test the new mirror function, then reassemble the door trim securely. Start by lowering the window and prying off the interior trim panel with a trim tool. Locate and unplug the mirror electrical connector, then support the mirror from the outside. Remove the mounting bolts using the appropriate socket, keeping one hand on the mirror to hold it steady. Gently pull the mirror away from the door, feeding the wiring through the grommet. Inspect the mounting holes and wiring for corrosion or damage before installing the new mirror. Position the new mirror by feeding the wiring harness through the grommet and aligning the studs with the door holes. Hand start each bolt to ensure they thread correctly, then tighten them evenly with the socket to the factory snug feel. Reconnect the electrical connector and reconnect the battery briefly to test mirror movement and heating if equipped. Once functions are confirmed, reattach the inner door panel and trim, ensuring clips snap back into place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.